Hello sexy people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halloween special, Summerween special. I had so much fun filming this last video. I want to do it again. We're gonna be doing all new things though. We're gonna be hanging out. We're gonna go antiquing. This like little downtown antique place that kind of is a little bit creepy. They have like dolls and clown stuff there, which I personally love. Call me crazy, but I love clown decor and stuff like that. So we're gonna go hit that first. We're gonna go Halloween hunting at HomeGoods. I think they actually have their Summerween Halloween stuff out now. I think last time I went it was a little too early. We're gonna make cookies. We're gonna just do all the things, all the Summerween things, and I'm so excited. I think these videos are so fun. So we're gonna hang out for today. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this little, it's like a light cardigan. It was light enough that I knew I wouldn't get hot. I feel like this is my normal style, kind of whimsy goth or whatever you might say. I can just say it's for the video, like I put this on for the video, but also I would wear this normally. So I'm just wearing this like cute little vintage cardigan, this gray tank top, and then this just solid black skirt. And that is the outfit for today. I may be thinking about going to get a chai. I feel like it tastes so much like fall. A chai is literally fall in a drink. And there is this super good local coffee shop over by me that has the best chai I've ever had in my entire life. And I haven't had it in a while. So maybe we'll go do that too. But we're gonna go head out now and we're gonna stop at the antique shop first. So let's go. All right, we are now at the first stop, which is the little antique place in the downtown area. I honestly love this place and I do not come here enough. I'm not particularly looking for anything in specific, but it's always fun to look around, and if there's something like a knickknack that catches my eye, even though I literally don't need anything else, I may have to get it. Let's go ahead and go inside. So cute. This is so pretty, honestly. I love that. This trunk is so pretty. I love this lamp. These types of lamps are so pretty. Don't mind the back of my car. I have my car parked for I have my car parked. Oh my god. I have my car packed for a market. But we're at HomeGoods. I'm so excited to look at their decor and smell a fall candle. Need that right now. I am so excited for fall. I know it's like enjoy the moment, like enjoy summer, and I have been enjoying summer, but two things can be true at once. Like I love summer and I'm excited for fall, and therefore that is Summerween. But I explained this in my last video. If you guys don't know what Summerween is, it came from Gravity Falls. I'll put the clip in right here.
Here we are, the Summerween Superstore. Wait, summer what? Summerween! The people of this town love Halloween so much they celebrate it twice a year. And wouldn't you know it, it's today.
Summerween? Something about this feels unnatural.
There's free candy. To the costume aisle!
I love Gravity Falls. I grew up on that show and I watched it with my brother, and it's such a fun like oddities show. But yeah, that's where it originated from. Let me tell you though, it is not feeling like fall. It is so hot out right now. I'm melting. I'm melting. We're gonna go ahead and go look at what they have out right now. I'm really excited. And then I think that we're gonna go get some cookies to make later. All right, let's go. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Viva! Everything is so cute. Like, what the heck? Okay, this is so cute. I love the base. I love stripes. I kind of wish this was smaller. I love this. Not the AI cat. This is so exciting. I simply can't believe it.
But I think I see something looking at me through that window.
Bro.
I might
Hello?
be a little delusional, but I think I see.
This is cute. I like this a lot. Oh my gosh. Is she me? I like her little stockings. Okay, this is so cute. This is so 2014 twee. Just jolly as f. I love this purple one. This is so cute. This is what I would buy, honestly, if I were to get something. This is so bad.
Brother, this guy
Like, all of this. Diva. This is kind of cute. We'll be buying this. I love anything stripes. Oh my gosh, literally right as I say, I love the stripes. Look at this plate. I would have these year round. I love when they mix black and purple together. That is my favorite color combo. I watch the Great Pumpkin every single year. This is so cute. Time to smell some candles. All right, so we have autumn leaves. It smells good, I think. These are my favorite types of fall candles. The apple cinnamon smells so good. Yes. I love that. Golden pumpkin. Oh, that is like way too sweet. What else we got here? Cinnamon pumpkin. It's actually not as strong as I thought it would be. Really faint smell. Now we got autumn spice. This one's also kind of faint. I was expecting these to be like really strong. Honestly, the pink and the green is really cute and fun. Okay, that was a little bit disappointing. I don't know if it's because it's just like the beginning of August and they'll get more stuff in, but a lot of it just wasn't that cute, and a lot of it was obviously AI-ified, so it just wasn't cute. I think that the striped pumpkin and the kind of see-through purpley pumpkin would be really cute, even like together on a table or something, but I don't need it. The striped plates were cute, but even the candles weren't even that cute to me. Like, I feel like they usually do fun stuff, the outside of the candle, and it just wasn't happening. It wasn't there for me. So, but I did get these chamoy strawberry belts that I am excited about. Oh, we're gonna try these. Right, let's see what this is all about. Oh shit. Red 40 up my ass. These are so good. Alright, now we're gonna go to the store because I want to make cookies. So we're gonna go buy cookies to make at the store. I'm back at home. I picked up some cookies to make. I'm so excited. I have not had these in so long. I'm so excited to eat these, to bake them and like undercook them a little bit and eat these. I'm so excited. I'm gonna leave this video off right here for today, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna continue this video, fall movie or show to watch, and I'm gonna take you guys to my local coffee shop, probably get a chai, do some schoolwork. Nothing says fall like back to school, and it's about to be back to school time for me. I'm finishing up my summer classes and I'm going back to school for the fall semester. My whole life back to school it feels so fall. It's the only way I can romanticize going back to school is going back to school and it being fall. We're just gonna go hop around and do some more fall things. Had so much fun filming this today. You guys enjoyed coming along, and I will see you guys in like, well, for me I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, but for you guys it's gonna be like literally 2 seconds because it's gonna be the next clip. I am gonna make those cookies tonight though, so I am gonna film that, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it is the next day and we're back, and I didn't feel like getting ready today, so do not even mind what I look like right now. But I did wear my Twilight shirt because we're trying to emulate all the fall vibes, all the Halloween, Summerween, anything vibes. We're gonna go continue our little fun date. I'm at Barnes & Noble's right now. I feel like Barnes & Noble's is very 2010s fall. Feels like that to me. I feel like every time I'm looking at photos, a bookstore is involved. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna look around and be mysterious. And then I think we're gonna go to Bath & Body Works because I heard they have their fall collection out, or their Halloween. I don't know. We're gonna go see, but let's go. This, I love this cover. I would have this on my coffee table. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the binding. I literally want this as a coffee table book. This is beautiful. Tradwife book being in the horror section sounds about right. I kind of need this. I just made this at Bath & Body Works. We're gonna go ahead and go inside and look if they have their Halloween collection. I pulled into this parking spot and The Story of My Life by One Direction immediately came on, and a wave of nostalgia just like hit me, and I was like, wow. I don't go to Bath & Body Works really at all or often, but pulling in this parking spot and then One Direction, The Story of My Life coming on just felt so... I was listening to my fall playlist and I have a couple One Direction songs on there. Specifically, Story of My Life is such fall coded vibes to me. I don't know. I think it's because they always used to release their music in the fall. I don't know. Anyways, whatever. No one cares. All right, let's go and try to see if they have their Halloween decor out. I'm so excited. They had their Halloween stuff, they had their fall stuff out. It was so cute. I love the Halloween collection. I love that so many people are doing like clown inspired. I just love clown inspired decor, not just a Halloween. I don't know. That might be weird, but I love any of the fall Honeycrisp scents. Those smell so good. I'm unsure about how I felt about the Halloween scents. They kind of were really sweet and a little weird smelling, but the fall scents they had smelled so good. And I loved the drawings they had on the fall collection. It was so 2010s looking to me. I thought that was so cute. And I could not speak in there because the music was so loud, but I hope you enjoyed that little montage. I have to go do homework now, so I think we're gonna go to my local coffee shop and maybe get a chai for the vibes and show you guys around because this coffee shop is so cute. It's very wooden cabin looking. It's very fall to me. And I think I'm gonna go do my homework there. So let's go.
Okay.
I'm here to end this vlog. Since I didn't really film it, me talking about it, I watched Halloween Town and just kind of had a cozy little night last night. Yeah, that's what I did last night, and I'm just coming to end this vlog, give you guys a proper goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Since I always post on Mondays, I hope till I see you the next Monday that you have a great week. I have some exciting videos coming up. I'm traveling. Yeah, I'm just excited. I'm so grateful for everyone who watches my videos, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night wherever you're watching this, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!